trouble. The library is selling these old magazines for 50 cents. I'm in trouble. A lot of trouble. Like, look at that kid climbing into that big olive. I mean, the ads alone. 50 cents. I bought a few. So I got some. I have never seen this magazine. It's from the 60s. Sunset magazine of Western living. So, auto exploring the Mendocino coast. I want to do that. And yeah, again, auto exploring behind the Sierra. And I got some Life, Saturday Evening Post. Just look at that. Yeah. And you know when this one's coming out? Oh yeah, in December. All right. I bought 6. And I had one already over there. It's time once again for We Try Things.
Is that what we're calling this?
I don't know. I just did.
Put up this put up the screen of all the words. We try things.
All right.
Sparkle.
So I went to the Dollar General a while ago, and there was advertising for Kool-Aid gum. So I thought I would get a pack. It comes with 3 flavors. It comes with tropical punch, cherry, and grape. So I'm gonna do it.
I want to point out how potent the smell
Yeah, it's a lot.
through the wrapper
It's a lot.
is.
For sure.
It's so strong.
Is this a wrapper as well?
And Sam, you weren't going to try it, but then you realized what shirt you were wearing today.
Yeah, and I'm beholden to the companies I advertise. It's part of a marketing deal. It's not an ad. I know you have to say it ethically on. If you look real close, a little bit of paper came off onto the gum.
Yummy.
So I'm just gonna tear this.
A little bit of paper never hurt no one.
Hold on.
That is the driest piece of gum I've ever had in my entire life.
That's been a bit. Like, look. That's not gum.
Try it.
There's a little bit of grape flavor at the beginning, and then it fades away into Mrs. Frischli's.
That's the famous 99-cent store donuts that tasted like poison.
It's just now turning into gum consistency.
Yeah, no. Nah.
All right, that's it for We Try Things.
I kind of like it. Now that
Today we have set a record temperature. I believe it reached 113, which is the hottest it's ever been in Modesto, I think, of all time. 113. I don't know, maybe it got hotter, but it's hot. After 110, it doesn't really matter, does it? Anyway, we've walked up here to Hope Commons because this week we are hosting a photography workshop for young students who have come to America, either as refugees or with their families who came on a special kind of visa. And most of our students here are from Afghanistan, and they're here to learn photography. But more than just photography, they're here to learn how to tell their story through art. And it's a great thing because, well, different people in the community come and they're bringing food, sharing. We have different teachers that are here. We have a really good friend, Galad, that is here from Canada, who's their main photography teacher for the week. And at the end of the week, in fact, at the end of this video, well, maybe in the middle of this video, you're going to be able to see their final projects because we're having a gala. We're playing bingo tonight. I'm one away from winning 4 corners. If the next number is 68, I have won bingo. Boo! Come on. No! Come on. Come on. Oh, somebody won? Dadgummit. Guy just came along and let us hold his puppies. Josh! No.
Oh, I can't.
No, we can't take it. Oh, it's cuddling. Oh, it's cuddling.
I think he's trying to get away. No.
All my bingo hopes and dreams are smashed.
You're a loser.
Big finish, big finish. I'm here in Roseville today, Roseville, California, near Sacramento. Here for another event, but my goodness, please tell me this movie theater is still operating. Oh no, it looks like it's not. But look at that thing. Oh, that is so cool. Somebody, please restore this theater. Oh my. It is the gala night. All the final projects are on display and people are arriving. So good to see the community coming out to see these awesome pictures.
First, I want to say a big thank you to the folks at Hope Commons. Can we make some noise for the folks here at Hope Commons? I specifically want to thank Amy and Kelly for being the backbone of this program. So this is not a program that is funded by any arts grant or any community supporter. This entire project was put together by a community that really wants to support the newcomer community that is coming here, specifically from Afghanistan and also from Syria. Kelly and Amy over the last year have worked tirelessly to pick up our participants, to drive them around town, to get folks to sign up for this program and to ensure that we were able to offer a program such as this to our participants. So can we please make some noise for Amy and Kelly? Now, a program like this doesn't just happen without some really brave, really inspiring young people. The people who participated in this program are resilient, they're strong, they're creative, and they are incredible young people. Some of the stories that you'll hear today are really powerful. They're stories of struggle, they're stories of pain, but they're also stories of perseverance. And it takes a lot of courage to be able to open up about such a tough situation with a group of people that you don't even know. So for us on the other side, for us who are passing through this exhibition today, for us who are taking in these photos and taking in these stories, I hope that a piece of you, a piece of your heart opens up to members of our community, newcomers here who have come from Afghanistan and Syria, who now call Modesto in California home. I hope that we can remember that our neighbors have had to go through some tough things, but that they're here now and they're stronger for it. So can we make some noise for the participants in this program? So can we please welcome to the stage Amy and Kelly.
when we look around here, we see that that's what we are. And we hope that it remains that way. So thank you all for coming. This is a great program. We believe in it a lot. We love the students. We love Gilad. We're thankful to be a part of this.
That's what Polly said, and just the simplicity of hospitality is what we want you to feel. We want you to feel welcome. It's why I jumped in to welcome a Syrian family that got in right before the travel ban hit. I wanted that family to feel welcome, and then now 6 years later, how many families are here that hopefully feel welcome and get to be in a safe space with us and express yourselves?
Thank you.
Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold and rain is hard, and I know been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop our running. I wanna know
Community events, sharing food, sharing art, sharing music. It's all such a good thing. Show your friends your pictures. Show your friends your creativity. Such a good thing. Also, show the cats.